Hey there, it's Dena D. And did you know your soul is always talking to you? The question is, are you listening? So, most of us, self included, I was taught that, or maybe took on the perception that all my answers are out there. Read this book, talk to that person, take this class, and you will find the answers that you're looking for. But what if our answers are in here? What if our soul is always nudging us? But one of the most powerful ways that I've ever found to hear that inner wisdom is through writing from the heart. With a quiet space, a gentle prompt, and a little trust, the words that flow can surprise you, and they can guide you. They can even heal you. On Saturday, October 25th, I'll be at Villa Maria leading a one-day workshop where we'll learn how to open that doorway together. No experience needed, just a willingness to listen to your soul. I'd love for you to join us. Details are below, and I would love to have you there.